Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the poem Phoenix of Beauty written by Dr. Saumitra Chakravarti. Now this poem it discusses about the idea of beauty. This poem is an indication of beauty of nature emerging from the ugly. Uh, Now, before actually beginning to read the poem, let's discuss about the author, about the poet. Dr. Saumitra Chakravarti is an alumnus of Calcutta University with a degree in English literature. She has secured a gold medal in her topic, The Search for Identity in Contemporary British Fiction. She has taught English literature at undergraduate and postgraduate levels in Bangalore and guided research students. She has presented papers in several national and international seminars, both India and abroad. She has published a book of poems titled The Cry, which was published in 2002. She has also co-authored a book of critical essays titled The Endangered Self, published in 2003. A book of translations of short stories of four major Bengali women is currently under publication with Oxford University Press. She is also working on a second book of poems on issues related to tribal women and their habitat, some of which have already been broadcast over All India Radio. Now, before actually going forward, let's look at the brainstorming questions. Now, there are three questions. The first question is, what is your idea of beauty? Second one is, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Third one is, do you know the story of Phoenix bird? Now, let's discuss one by one. Now, what is your idea of beauty? Now, idea of beauty is very subjective. There cannot be one definition of what is actually beautiful. Now, what popular culture does is, or society does is, they set a certain standard, certain thing as the standard for the beauty, and everything is uh, measured in comparison with a certain standard set by the society. So we need to break that, because that is a popular perception that everybody has. For example, fair is beautiful. Need not be. Need not everything that is fair be beautiful, and anything that is um, which has darker complexion doesn't mean it is ugly. Now, these are the types of stereotypes that are built around the idea of beauty, which is not correct. Um, these kinds of narratives are sometimes, are quite harmful. Actually, it can lead to inferiority complex. Um, but today, you can't just um, tie down the idea of beauty to hairstyles or body shape or by age or skin color. Um, Beauty can be about aesthetics, about self-awareness, about personal swagger or individuality. So there are a lot of dimensions to the beauty, not just physical beauty. So the even the idea of beauty keeps shifting from generation to generation. Also, it changes from people to people. So, and also, there are certain misgivings that the beauty only comes from certain place. No, beauty can exist anywhere. And also, the second question is beauty. The second brainstorming question is, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Discuss. Now, this is what does mean? It refers to means, it refers to the fact that all the things are beautiful, but it depends on who is weaving it. What one person thinks is beautiful, uh, another may not agree with it. It comes down to personal preference. So it all depends upon the person who is actually It boils down to the personal preference. Third one is, do you know the story of phoenix bird? Now on the screen you are seeing the picture of phoenix bird. In Greek mythology,